10th class Physical Science, 4th chapter Refraction of Light at Curved Surfaces, all activities. 10th class Physical Science, 4th chapter Refraction of Light at Curved Surfaces. Activity 1, Refraction of Light at a curved surface. Arrow mark on thick sheet of paper. Observed. In the first case, arrow mark size less than original size in the empty vessel. In this way, light travels through refraction of air to glass to air and again air to glass and to air. Fill the vessel with water and absorb. In the second case, arrow mark is formed, enlarged and invert image in the vessel with water. In this way, light travels through refraction air to water. Assume that refraction index of water and glass are same, but not same. The first case, arrow mark observed in empty glass. Arrow mark size less than original size in the empty vessel. The second case, arrow mark is formed, enlarged and inverted image in vessel with water. 10th class Physical Science, 4th chapter Refraction of Light at Curved Surfaces. Different lenses, 5 types. 1. Bioconvex. 2. Bioconcave. 3. Plano-convex. 4. Plano-concave. 5. Concave and convex lenses. 10th class Physical Science, 4th chapter Refraction of Light at Curved Surface. Determination of focal length of convex lens with parallel beam of light. Required materials: convex lens, V-stand, screen, laser light, scale. Observed. A parallel beam of a light incident on a convex lens converges to a point as a focal point or focus. The distance between the focal point and optic center is called the focal length. Observed. First convex lens, U infinity, V 11 centimeters, convex focal length F 11 centimeters. Second convex lens. Observed. U infinity, V 22 centimeters, convex focal length F 22 centimeters. 10th class PS Refraction of light at curved surface, finding focal length of concave lens via parallel rays. Required materials: concave lens, stand, scale, laser light. The first concave lens. The rays passes parallel to the principal axis appears to diverge from the focal point of concave lens. Pole P to focal point F distance, focal length F is equal to 11 centimeters. Second concave lens, focal length 8 centimeters. 10th class Physical Science, Chapter 4 Refraction of Light at Curved Surface. Lab Activity. AM. Determination of focal length of bioconvex lens using UV method. Material required: convex lens, stand, screen, light source, candle, scale, matchbox. Object is placed behind the center of curvature on the principal axis at 60 centimeters. Diminished invert and real image is formed on the principal axis at V 25.7 centimeters. Object placed behind the center of curvature on the principal axis at U 50 centimeters. Image diminished, inverted, and real image formed on the principal axis at 28.1 centimeter. Object distance U 40 centimeter. V 32.7 centimeter. Diminished, invert, and real image. Object placed at 36 centimeters. Image same size, inverted, and real image on the principal axis. U 30 centimeters. The former image magnified and invert and real image on the principal axis. Object placed 25 centimeters. Image magnified and invert and real image at 64 centimeters. Object placed at 12 centimeters. The image erect and visual image and object side and magnified image. Object placed at 10 centimeter. The image invert and visual image and object side. A formula used: F is equal to UV by U plus V. Find the focal length. Observed. 10th class physical science. Refraction of light at curved surface. Visual images formed with a concave lens. Various positions of objective place and principal axis using concave lens. Get smaller than object and erect and visual images. You will get notice that irrespective of the position of object on the principal axis, you will get an erect and visual images, dimension size in between the focal point and optic center for concave lens. 10th class physical science, 4th chapter, refraction of light at curved surfaces, activity 2. On what factors does the focal length of the bioconvex lens depend? Required materials: water bottle, laser lights, bioconvex lens, plastic box. Observed the activity. The focal length of the convex lens in air 4.5 centimeters. You observed. Now pour water in the plastic box. Observe the focal length of the convex lens in water. The focal length of convex lens in water 20 centimeters. This shows that the focal length of convex lens has increased in water. We conclude that the focal length of convex lens depends upon the surrounding media.